Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to run my first query, and here you can see I have my project here, and here when I click here, this one is my data set. So when I click here, so it's the whole information about the data set, and this one is the table. So here you can see this table. So these are the name of the column. In SQL, these are very important because whenever we write queries and we have to use this name of the columns. So now I want to try my first query here, so I just remove this, and here I want to write my first query. The most important thing is select. So whenever I want to extract data from a data set, so I want to extract a table from a data set, I have to use the select and from, combine these two. So I just write here select, and here we can extract specific things from a table or the whole table. So first I extract the whole table. From which table? Data. So I select the table, and here I just come here and run. You can see I have the result here. These are the name of the columns and it's the whole information. Here you can see it's the 50 result from 203 results. So I want to try again, and here now specific thing. So I just come here, I just clean this, and here I write the name of the columns which I write. For example, now I write like fuel type, price, and make. And here I just run this. You can see here fuel type, price, and make. So, and you can see it automatically sort based on the query I write here. First one is fuel type and price, and the last one is make. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.